What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1967 Nova. This is a four-door Nova. It does have a little bit of a built motor, aluminum heads, aluminum radiator. It's decently quick. It's got enough power for a four-door Nova, that's for sure. Decent tires, looks good. Does have a few little rust spots, some issues, and I will be pointing it out. We're gonna go around and point all that stuff out in this video. That way when you get down here, you have no surprises. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood to make things easier so that I'm not flipping the camera around. We're gonna go ahead and head up here in the front and get started. I did a test drive video. I'm in the middle of it right now. I went ahead and stopped over here to do this walk around. Nice quiet area to get around this car here. You can tell the front bumper, it's got a little few spots in it actually. Looks like it needs to be replaced if you wanted it to be perfect. You can see all the pitting in it. A few little rust spots popping up. Same with the headlight bezels and the grille. Tires are in great shape, American Racing rims, drum brakes all the way around. You can see it does have chips in the paint. A little wavy down the side. Got some rust bubbles popping up at the bottoms of the doors. Actually, on the panel there, it's got some holes. I will be opening the door and showing you that. So you got some paint on some of the seals there. It's cracking on top. Tripper out the front window's in good shape. The mirror is definitely showing signs of pitting. Paint runs on the door. It's just not a perfect paint job at all. There's definitely some flaws, definitely some rust. I'll be giving y'all some undercarriage shots here soon. Right towards the end of the video, you can see where they've actually touched up. Back here with like a brush or something. Try to blend it in. Bumper on the back, it's got some scratches, pitting. Of course, this car's got a bunch of, flaws, chip paints and all that, but if it was a lot nicer, it'd be a lot higher in price. The battery's not back here, it's located under the front. I guess at one point they did have it back here. Very solid through here. The trunk's actually in good shape. The weather stripping's not bad, and I was washing it off earlier, spraying it down real good, and no water got in, so it's a good sign. A little squeaky, you're gonna have to shut it firmly. Some chips in the paint, more bubbles popping up here. Same within the same spots on both sides. Got some popping up in here as well. It looks like there's a hole right in there. Some rust popping through the passenger door in the front. All right, made it around. And guys, the motor's, when I'm gonna start it up here in a second, but it is smooth. It pulls good. The car runs and drives great going down the road. The brakes are good. Definitely check out the test drive video. I was impressed how it run and drove. It was good. Had plenty of power. Definitely has some cosmetic flaws on the outside and the paint. There's some rust issues on this one. But I think we hit it at a good price point, so. You can see down in the jam here, there's some holes. Weather stripping looks good around the door. Bottom of the door, looking pretty solid. I think the carpet in this one's been replaced. They put some aftermarket seats in here, aftermarket steering wheel. The dash is in good shape. It's all cloth in here. And it actually looks really good. Tilt column. The horn does not work. I noticed the solenoid, hear it clicking. It was acting up on me, so. It'll click once or twice and it usually starts. Hurst shifter. Do have the face to the radio in the office. Blower motor works, so you'll have heat in the winter. Got a tack on the dash. Somebody put a digital dash in here. It may be blinking on my camera. It's solid in person. It's the refresh rate on my camera which is making it trace like that. The fuel gauge does not work. It's not hooked up. I did put gas in the car and it's not showing. The voltmeter was working. It's not really working correctly right now, but miles per hour wasn't hooked up. RPMs are. And your temperature and your oil pressure are hooked up. And that's halfway through the test drive, so. Go ahead and try our windshield wipers. They work as well. So everything but the horn works in this one. And the horn and the gas gauge. Sorry about that. Got some speakers down on the floor. Let's go ahead and hop out of here. Motor's nice and quiet, runs smooth. Aluminum head so it zips up. Pretty quick little four-door Nova here. Go ahead, shut the hood down. Y'all haven't seen it with it down. A little chip right here in the center. It don't line up perfect. Of course, I can push the hinges down a little bit in the back. I even have to do that on my personal ride. Looks like a ding right here. I want to give y'all some undercarriage shots real quick. We're going to start in the front. We're going to go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. Also got 100 detailed photos or close to it at maplemotors.com. If you see this car on there still, it is available. If it's gone, well, we've already sold it. So right now, as I'm making this video, it's available. We're going to look underneath. Now we're going to work our way way over here to the driver's side. Head on back to the rear. And the passenger side. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. I know we bought about 8 new cars. We were getting kind of low on inventory, so we went ahead and stepped up, bought 8 new cars. Got some good stuff coming in. Be sure to watch. I think this next update's on Monday. We'll be posting a lot of new stuff. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos, and definitely check out maplemotors.com. Got financing options, shipping, wheels, tires, parts and accessories, all available. Thanks again, guys.